just missed it. There were some birds just drinking out of the water right there. Oh, geez. Look at that. Look at all the leaves. Holy moly. Yeah. I think I need to empty these. Let's take a look. I don't see any bubbling over there. But look at that. It's jammed. Wow. All right. I need to take care of this. See you soon. All right. Well, I've done half. And man, I'm so happy they're actually coming down, but yeah. One-handed. Let's go. Just like that. All right. I'm gonna finish the rest. All right. Well, there we go. It's all done, more or less. Like, there is still some that's just gonna go into the skimmer. So if you notice, all the fish are at the more or less the bottom of the pond. Yeah, it's just that much colder. It's been like minus 10, 12, 15 Celsius. So guys, remember to subscribe and like the video. Let's check out the waterfall. All right, take a look at this. Look at the ice. Oh, isn't that amazing? Oh my God. It's so cool. Like, look at the ice in behind. Ah, yeah. Oh man, it's so neat. So neat. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Look at all those icicles. It's so amazing. Oh my God. And it's not overflowing, so like, there's no water here. It's like it's wet here. Right there, but like really, let's see over here. And I really hope this plant comes back. But yeah, like there's only a bit like right here, but nah, it should be good. Look at that ice formation like right there. So cool. And yeah, it just like flows right in. Right into here. It's just a tank. It's a tank. I love it. Oh my God. It's so cool. Oh, that's a neat. I never look at it from here. Yeah. So it's definitely a keeper. Definitely a keeper. So awesome. I feel as though the pump's not working as good. But I'm curious to see. It's only at 2. That's why. I put it to 10. Curious if that's going to make a difference. I have a feeling there's like a ton of leaves down there. I'm going to see. I might have to take it out. That is honestly going to suck if I have to. Yeah, I totally suck. So we'll see what happens. So, but because it's super cold, I gotta actually take these out. That's a this weekend job, and that's probably gonna be a this weekend job. But it's slowed down since yesterday, and it was just littered with leaves. So it has me a little worried. Ever since I broke the impeller and changed it, it hasn't been the same. It's been a little bit temperamental. Look at our friend here. Oh man, look at the sky. Oh, so beautiful. So beautiful. Oh man, just love it. It's a beautiful day, but cold. Cold, cold, cold. I wonder, let's check to see what the temp is. Okay, so it's 35.5 and it is 1.9. Wow. Oh yeah, it's cold. Or as they say in slang French, c'est fret. Yeah, super cold. So again, guys, like the video and subscribe and check out my shorts. Yeah, I think we're creeping up on 2,300 subscribers. So just subscribe away and like away. So just a little addition. I just literally powered off the pump and powered it back on, and there was like a whole bunch of bubbles. So there was definitely something in here, and might have come back up or is blocking it. I don't know, but now it's actually working better. So I have to empty the skimmer. But look, see? Bubbles came out of here too. And bubbles came out of there. Very weird. I don't know what happened. But now it's actually getting trapped here and getting sucked. So that's hopefully a good thing. Anyhow, that's that. You guys have yourselves a fantastic day, and we'll catch you next time.